I might lose my mind.
Hello, my name is Rain Victor Putnarubun. My nickname is Ito. I was born in Dobo, July 28, 2001. I come from K. Now I live in Dr. Miloho Street. My father's name is Martin Putnarubun and my mother's name is Nyayaban.
It's alright.
In 2007, I began my education at Yosudarso Dobo Elementary School. For 6 years, I was educated at this beloved school.
Drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
In 2013, I graduated from elementary school and went on the next level in the State Junior High School 1 Dobo. For 3 years getting knowledge in the school.
Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown. Went to bed at noon. Couldn't put my phone down. Scrolling patiently. It's all the same to
In
me.
2016, I was declared graduate and continued at Yosudarso Dobo Junior High School. For 3 years, I was educated at this school. And in 2019, I graduated and continued at higher level. I am studying science at Patimura University's Law School. Participating in class is very important because by participating, the learning process will go well. Learning will run optimally if students can play an active role.
Can you come through? Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?